Welcome to DIYeasycrafts.com. How to etch metal and create a knife logo. Now I'm going to use a transparency film, which is obtainable at any local arts and crafts supply. I'm going to transfer or sketch the logo with a thin marker, and then apply that transfer film onto the knife that I want to create the logo on. And then I'm going to cut that logo out. Basically, everything that you remove is what's going to get etched. And that film is going to protect the rest of the knife from getting etched. Now, this type of etching uses a battery charger. In this case, I didn't have a battery charger, I just have a jump starter. It uses vinegar mixed with a little salt. I put about a tablespoon of salt in this small container of vinegar. Now, I tried a couple of different times to do this etching without much success, and then finally figured out a good way of doing it. My first attempt used a Q-tip soaked in that vinegar, and then I applied a little bit of the liquid directly over the logo template. And then by turning that jump starter on and touching that moistened Q-tip directly over the logo, it started the etching process. The only problem with this attempt, and you can see it starting to bubble away there, is it just took a long time. I literally kept that Q-tip back and forth over the logo for 2 or 3 minutes, and was not very impressed with the results. Although the metal did start to etch, it was not etched very deeply. And you'll see I'm going to peel off that template material. And if you look closely, you can see that the logo did start to get etched into the metal, but just wasn't satisfactory. Second attempt, and this attempt worked very, very nicely. I'm using the same vinegar mixed with salt. I'm using the same jump starter, but this time I'm using an old metal drill bit. I've applied that solution over the template again, and what I'm doing is attempting to touch that metal drill bit just to the top of the liquid, not actually to the metal. If you touch metal to metal, of course it's going to spark. Don't forget that the negative on the battery charger is already attached to the knife, and I'm using the positive clip on that charger. And I'm just going back and forth over the entire logo with that drill bit just touching the top of the liquid. This whole process took only 15 or 20 seconds. And once it was finished, you can very quickly see that the whole logo was completely darkened or etched. And once the film was removed, the logo was very, very nicely etched into this knife handle. It took me a couple of attempts, but it really was as easy as that. And you could do this with any logo. You could put your initials, you could put your company name, etc. Please check us out on the web at DIYeasycrafts.com. Be sure to check out our other how-to videos. And if you liked this video, I ask that you please subscribe to this YouTube channel.